Next, we can set up the menus of this theme. Since we can see the menus are leading to an external website, that is wpzeta.com. Instead of that, we can edit it to be staying on our website itself. So mainly the home menu is added properly. Let's look at the service menu. Now I'll just remove the trailing space which is there, and instead of that I'll just add our website URL here. Since it's an IP, in your case it will be your domain name. So for services I've done it. For about, we will do that as well. For theme, we have to follow the same process for all the links. And for shop again, we have done that, and contact us as well, we have done this. And we'll just save this thing, and we can go back to the demo. And we can just click on the links, and we will come to the various pages, various sections on the pages, like services, about us, theme. Since this is a one-page website, we can see this in this fashion. But let's say if it's a multi-page website, you will have to add the links which are there.